All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. You know, things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about CRO, C-R-O, crypto.com, Cronos. It goes by a few different names. What's going on with their pricing? Going to their Twitter account, checking everything else, doing a price prediction. So we're going to check out the CRO, crypto.com today, Cronos. Also, we're going to talk about Piston Token. Did you get in the race yesterday? Are you getting in the race today? What's going on with Piston? I'm going to talk about Piston a little bit. And then we're going to talk about the Feds and interest rates and inflation and what's going on with the Feds. It's very, very high in the month of February and March. So what are we going to do about this? All right. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to crypto.com. All right, over here at Cronos, I know it used to be called crypto.com. It's called Cronos now, rebranded. Number 18 on CoinMarketCap. It's down 4% for the last 7 days. It's down 4% for today. Trading at 45 cents, clicking it. Over here to the right here, we got 4% down, 45 cents is the CRO. Taking a look in the last 24 hours, this is what we're looking at. It's down about 4%. Last 7 days, it's down about 4%. All right, checking it out, crypto.com, Cronos, the best place to buy, sell, and pay for crypto. So crypto.com, a lot of good things going on. Got a FIFA World Cup ticket giveaway. So to be entered to win the tickets, see your team, retweet, swallow, and repeat. So they're giving away some tickets to the FIFA World Cup. Fantastic. Crypto.com. New list for Crypto.com. Aurora. Aurora's a new list. Fantastic. Let's give it a big hands of applause. Crypto.com exchange list Aurora. Trade the Aurora USD pair now. Sign up today. The new listing right here on Crypto.com is Aurora. In support of any rebranding of multi on the 13th of April, balance of any held in the Crypto.com exchange, spot and merge will be automatically converted to multi. So this is some big things going on with Crypto.com. All right, over at the website right here, fortune favors the brave. The world's fastest growing crypto app. Join 10 million users buying and selling 250 cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend the crypto with your Visa card and get 8% back. Grow your portfolio and receive up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. You got the app on your phone. You got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cronos right there, and Litecoin. Buy crypto at true cost. Buy and sell 250 cryptocurrencies and 20 fiat currencies using the bank transfer on your credit card bank account. All right, the only card you will need. Enjoy up to 8% back on spending with your sleek, pure metal, no annual fee. Top off your fiat or your cryptocurrency. All right, so you're going to need to get your card today. You can go right to crypto.com to get it. Deposit crypto and earn rewards. This is the nice part. You get up to 14.5% PA on your crypto. You get up to 10% PA on your stable coins. All right, everybody, new list on crypto.com or Cronos. Stable coins, you get your bits from bonuses. All kinds of good stuff going on with CRO. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, did you get into the race yesterday? Piston Token. This is another crypto project, pays 1% a day, 365%. Let's head over to Piston to kind of give us a little deep dive on it. All right, over here at Piston Token. Piston Token started a Binance Chain BRC token built on the best-in-class decentralized token. Piston was designed to run an ecosystem earning rewards by depositing your token in the Piston Race dashboard app. All right, so right here you can start the race. You click it. You go ahead and click the race here. It says Piston Race, earn 1% daily until 365% of your investment is reached. I mean, it's pretty nice right there. Right here in my crew, Frank's Crypto Corner, named my crew. So we dropped 50 tokens in here yesterday. There's a 10% fee. To get started are taxed, so I got started with 45 tokens. Looks like I got about $679 in there. I've already earned $3 since last night. So right here, available fuel is 0.22. So I already got $3 made right there. You can take a look at that. But take a look at the graphics on this. It's pretty cool. It's got a NVD meter over here. It's got another 5x meter. This is that you can 5x your money. Tells you what's going on there. It's got basically race things going up to the left here. My gas tank. It's got race things going up to the right. Looking pretty good. Round robin, pit crew, my referral code, Frank's Crypto Corner. Over here at the Piston white paper for a second. Just taking a look. The basics. This is just the basics. The user deposits PSTN to add fuel to their gas tank. They will receive 1% daily for up to 365%. So yeah, you get 1% a day, up to 365% of the amount in your tank. The amount for the calculation includes the new tokens deposit as well as the tokens compounding using Nitro button. So you got a Nitro button right in the middle of the screen, which is pretty cool. How the race works, I'm not going to read everything because I'm not doing a full thing on Piston. I'm just skimming through it real quick. So you're going to want to go to the white paper yourself. But the cool thing right here is this next one. And I exit the race. In the first 7 days of the race, you can exit if you need to. So if some emergency comes up, you change your mind, whatever. That's kind of unheard of in DeFi. Pretty good. I got to give them some credit for that. If you do need to get your money back in the first 7 days, you can. It's going to talk about the taxes, how, there's a 10% tax when you buy the coin. There's a 10% tax when you sell the coin. The hydrating is only, the compounding is only 3%, so that's not too bad. All right, everybody. So Piston token. I'm gonna leave my link in the bottom. It's another like a drip network. There's other different features like your pit crew, which is kind of neat, and then also the compounding or the nitro. Boom, hit that nitro button and stuff. Again, right here on the game, the nitro right here. You either nitro and you compound, or you claim. I mean, I've been in less than 24 hours. I got less than $3. I mean, I have over about 700, so 1% a day, I'll be making about $7. So I've been in for half a day. I don't want a nitro yet. I don't want to claim yet. But there's that nitro button that they're talking about. All right, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Piston token. Everybody wishes they would have got in the drip network day one. Yesterday was day one. Today's day two. So definitely check it out. I'll put my link in the bottom. So also, what's going on with the feds with this inflation? And the interest rates and stuff, what is going on? Let's check it out. Economy, where is the economy at? I don't know. I got right here, Fed's preferred inflation gauge up 6.4% in February, the highest in 4 decades. Bitcoin remains roughly flat after releasing the Commerce Department report. Yeah, Bitcoin is kind of like an inflation hedge. So here's what it says. The Federal Reserve's preferred inflation gauge, the personal consumption price index, shows inflation rose 6.4% in February. It's a lot, everybody. The inflation rate accelerated from 6% from the recent month. February's pace, the highest since 1982. So last month was the highest in inflation since 1982. Oh boy. Some crypto traders, which closely with the Bitcoin market, sometimes moves as the indicators are released. Some investors hold Bitcoin as a protection against inflation. The cryptocurrency was a little changed after the report was published, changing hands at around 47,000. So Bitcoin didn't jump or nothing once this report. That doesn't mean it won't jump. It's just right instantly. The report shows the consumer spends a slow to 0.2 from 2.7 in January. While the consumer price index is regarded as the most widely watched inflation tracker, the feds prefer to watch the PCE report, which on Friday, the labor statistic was released, that monthly job report. According to the Dow, economists expect 460,000 jobs were added in March, and the unemployment rate of 3.7 was down from 3.8. So there's some good things. People are getting hired more, but the inflation is just killing people. Gas is just killing people. Food prices are just killing people. The Fed's dual mandate promoted employment and keeps price stable. If the job report shows a tightening in expected labor market, the Feds may be aggressively in their raising interest rates. Oh boy. So that's taking a look here. Feds, the inflation gauge up 6.4%. All right, so give us your thoughts. What are you thinking about that? Inflation rates, the Feds, everything's up. People are getting more jobs out there. That's really, really good. That's why these cryptocurrency projects are going to be working decent, pretty good. These drip networks, these Piston tokens, my Diamond team. Get 1.5% back from my time and team. All these little different crypto projects you may want to check out to kind of hedge against inflation. All right. Let's head back over to crypto.com, Cronos, and CRO to do a little price prediction. All right, back over at the website here. Trade with the confidence on the world's fastest and most secure crypto exchange. DeFi made simple. DeFi wallet, your keys are your crypto. DeFi earn, no lockup period. DeFi swap your stables and get triple rewards. Crypto in every wallet, that's what crypto.com or Cronos is trying to get to. But they want you to have it in the crypto.com wallet, everybody. It was founded in 2016. They have a team of over 4,000, over 10 million users. Yep, crypto.com, hitting it good. All right, we're going to go ahead and play this advertisement. It's a short one.
History is filled with almosts. With those who almost adventured, who almost achieved, but ultimately, for them it proved to be too much. Then there are others. The ones who embrace the moment and commit. And in these moments of truth, these men and women, these mere mortals, just like you and me, as they peer over the edge, they calm their minds and steel their nerves with 4 simple words that have been whispered by the intrepid since the time of the Romans. Fortune favors the brave.
All right, crypto.com there. You always gotta love their advertisement. We saw it on the Super Bowl. Everybody knows about crypto.com. The stadium, the Staples Centers is now crypto.com. Let's head over for that price prediction. Everything's down 4% right now. What's our price prediction? I'm thinking this coin could go to 49 cents instead of 45. All our information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework, do your own research, make sure you figure it all out on your own. We're all just friends here, not a financial planner. All right, and Cronos right here, 45 cents, down 4% for the week, down 5% for the day. Got a lot of red on the board today. Near is up 10%. All right, everybody, crypto.com and Cronos and CRO. Piston token launched yesterday, and the Feds with the inflation and the interest rates. Holy. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here to learn about Drip Network at 1% back a day. We're going to leave our link in the bottom about Piston Token if you want to join my team and become part of the pit crew. Remember, if you're part of the pit crew, then when everything, all the bonuses happen, it's a round robin thing, so people in the pit crew actually participated. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in to Crypto.com and CRO and Frank's Crypto Corner. And we'll see you a little bit later on today.